What is it? A boat?
Yeah.
Where? Where is it?
Right here.
Right where?
Right.
Duckies?
Race?
Hold on, Levi. Come here. Let me get something off you.
Race up it. What?
Woo! Now it's on me.
What was it?
A red ant.
Go. Yeah,
Is that cold?
ants will bite you.
Yeah, I know. I got it. What are you doing? You're getting totally naked? You're not cold? Woo! It's getting naked. Your turn. Go ahead, grab it.
My turn at that.
Here comes the tsunami.
Is it my turn, Dax?
You both can go this time.
Huh? Believe my mom making it.
Oh, my battery's about to die. How's that even possible? Yeah. Stay there, Levi. Be careful. Hold on. Wait for him.
Jesse, did you run them off, Jesse?
Wrap your arms around it tight, Joby.
Your arms all the way over there.
There we go.